Hey y'all, I gotta show you. It's all done. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Let's have a little piece of this. Okay. I want it to come out so you guys can see the layers. Oh, I don't want to poke a hole in the bottom. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can get this out of here. I don't know. I'm kind of like at a... Okay, hang on. Let's see if we can get it out. Shoot. I want it to come out pretty. No. It's like one time. Okay. See. What a bunch of malarkey. Okay, it'll all be the same. Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, you can see the layers. Isn't it pretty? Okay, we'll try again. I think the first cut is going to be the most difficult. Alright, so we got a big honking chunk of this jello on top, which Okay, first of all, I could just eat that, but let's get some of the crust and some of the jello stuff all together on a fork. It's a little bit of everything, the crust, the middle, the top, all of it. Okay. I don't know if I've ever told you all this. I'm sure I have. A salty sweet combo is just my favorite. This is delicious. Y'all should go get the stuff and make one of these this weekend. It's delightful. Okay. Make it. Strawberry pretzel salad is delicious. Love you guys. Bye.